Hi second year, welcome to today's lesson on Python programming, and today we are looking at selection constructs. Starting off, our learning intention success criteria. Today we are learning about what a selection construct is and how to use it in Python. Our success criteria is that by the end of the lesson we can answer questions in selection constructs and use selection constructs in Python to make a quiz. So, starting off, what is a selection construct? This is when we're getting a program to make the decision on what we do next. Ours will be very, very simple, but they can get very, very complicated very quickly. A lot of the time I'm teaching this in class, I'll talk about examples from games. So if someone presses left, Mario runs left. If someone presses A, Mario jumps. So it's letting the program decide what happens next based on a condition. So your program's selecting the next part of the code to run, which is why we call it a selection construct. And in Python, the main one we use is the if statement. If statement gets used in a lot of programming languages, but in Python it's the one we're looking at right now. So what it's going to look like is this. If number equals 2 and a colon. And then we end it in line and print your number is 2. In Python we use tabs to show what code is controlled by the if statement. So we've got our print statement down here, that is indented, and because that's indented that will only run if that number is 2. Now we can add as many lines of code down here as we wanted, and as long as they're indented they only get run if number was 2. And in Discover Education, instead of typing tabs, because we're using the drag and drop, it will use this symbol here. And just to show you what it looks like in sample code up there, like that. So that symbol there just means tab. Right. Now the next bit we need to look at is the equal sign, because equals can be a bit awkward in some programming languages. And in Python we use two types of equals. First of all is the equal sign to set values. We looked at this 2 weeks ago when we were using variables. So in this case, name equals Jim. So we've got a variable here called name, and we are setting that variable to hold the value Jim. But in the example we had on the previous page, we had 2 equal signs there, and then for that's when it's using a comparison. So here we're checking name equals Jim. Instead of setting name to Jim, what it's doing is checking if the value we've stored in name is Jim. Which brings us on to our task for today. First of all, all tasks on Google Classroom. First task, we've got a wee selection constructs quiz, and the second task, we've got a selection and input lesson on Discovery Education. And again, the links, a wee guide video, and the username and password are all going to be posted up on Google Classroom and in the email I'm going to send you out as well. So good luck to everyone. Any problems at all, just drop me a wee email, leave my message to Google Classroom, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye.